Hello, welcome. Today let us have a chapter. Identities and factorization. What are identities? Identities are the special products which are true for all the values of the variables. What is that you may not understand when I speak like that? Let me explain you. Suppose it is a plus b whole square. Whole square means a plus b into a plus b. Okay? When we multiply a plus b into a plus b, it is a into a plus b into a plus b. That equal to a square plus ab. B into a is ab plus b square. So we get a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is an identity. What is an identity I said? It is true for all the values of the variables. That means a may be 2, b may be 5, a may be 10, b may be 9. Whatever may be the values of a and b, always this is true for all the values of a and b. That's why it is an identity. Same way, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And when we multiply a plus b and a minus b, we will get a square minus b square. So these are the three identities you have to remember in solving the problems. Okay? Very simple. If here is plus plus, if here is minus, 2ab will be minus. If it is a plus b into a minus b, only will get a square minus b square. Now, let us do some simple sums based on these identities. So, very simple sums. Let me solve for you. Expand 2x by 3 minus 3y by 4 whole square. It's like a minus b whole square. We have to think 2x by 3 as a, 3y by 4 as b and expand it. So, 2x by 3 minus 3y by 4 whole square is equal to, we know that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let us think a in mind and write 2x by 3 whole square, a square minus 2 into a means 2x by 3, b means 3y by 4 plus b square means 3y by 4 whole square. Now let us expand, means open the brackets. 2 square is 4, x square by 9 minus, here 3 is cancelled, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 2 cancelled. We'll get only x into y, xy plus 3y whole square is 9y square by 4 square is 16. Now here no like terms, so here the term is x square, here x and y are there, here y square are there, so these are not like terms, so this itself is the answer. If there are like terms, we have to add or subtract. Okay? Now let us do second one. Find the product 4a minus 7b into 4a plus 7b. So it's like a minus b into a plus b. You have already learned that the identity a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So this is a means 4a whole square. B square means minus 7b whole square. 4 square 16a square minus 49b square. Very simple. Now third one, evaluate 151 into 151 minus 51 into 51. Evaluate means find the value of 151 into 151 is 151 square. 51 into 51 is 51 square. You can multiply these two and subtract, but after learning the identities, we have to use them. If it is given, evaluate by using identity, or given or not, try to do it will be easy for you. So it's like a square minus b square. You know that a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. A I am speaking, writing 151. In B I am saying and writing 51. This is equal to 1 plus 1 2. 5 plus 5 10 0 1 carrying 2 into 151 minus 51 is 100. So we get 20200 20,200. Without C, otherwise we have to do long multiplication. These two, the product, this product and subtraction. But how easily we are able to find its value by using the identity. Okay? Thank you.